Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al. We need to pick up a little bit talking about some Polyswarm. Hadn't got a chance to talk about this in a little while, but nevertheless, I want you guys to see the positive things that are happening. For a long time, this stock has been down a little bit. Let's hurry up and look at the Bitcoin price right now. The Bitcoin price is at 94,900. Ethereum is at 1,800. So things are looking up. Let's see if there's anything else we want to talk about right now. Cardano is still at 70 cents, so still got some good bargains out there. Let's go to the Fear and Greed Index at 53. So it's neutral and it's going on the positive side. Total market cap is almost at 3 trillion. We know that's like a mark that we would love to hit right away. So we're seeing some positive things on the horizon. Bitcoin dominance, let's do that very quickly here. That's going to be 63%. Ethereum is going to be 7.4% with 29.4% others. Now, taking a look at Polyswarm, let's see what's going on with this guy. One of the things we got to understand is Polyswarm is has really great potential. Also, it's a great utility coin, and now it's more needed than ever. But anyways, let me just stop right here to say if you like what you see today, just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We're growing and we want you to grow with us, and we really appreciate your support. Now, anyways, we look at Polyswarm, and let's see, the market cap is really small right now at 40 million. Polyswarm has gone all the way up to like as much as 10 cents in the last, how can I say, few months. The thing about that is, like, I know it was like just a flash rise just for a moment, but at the same time, Polyswarm has gotten there. The demand for Polyswarm is definitely going to be going up as well. We need to keep that in mind. Looks like the volume has been up 40% over the last 24 hours. So Polyswarm is seeing some positive momentum. It's above 2 cents and it's moving. So that's a good thing. Take a look at the 7-day. The 7-day, it is up almost 10%. So that's a positive sign. And let's see, over the month, it's very positive as well. It's up 8%. I think it's down on the year. Yeah, just a little bit down on the year. All of these are, however, good signs. So just a heads up on that. Okay, all time is definitely on the move. But just let's keep that in mind. The Polyswarm is definitely seeing some good positive momentum. Green on the 1 day, green on the 7-day, and green on the 1 month. So we're seeing a lot of positive momentum shifts here for Polyswarm. Now, let's see. I'm trying to remember what the all-time high was for this thing. I don't think it was that much. Yeah, it's like 17 cents. So I really feel like Polyswarm has a lot of room to grow this year and can move very far. We're just looking to continue to see positive momentum. I need to remind some of you guys about the partners that Polyswarm has as far as that's concerned. So we got Alibaba, we got Malwation, we got Blue Hexagon. The list goes on and on. Dr. Web, CrowdStrike, Kaspersky. These are very, how can I say, strong cybersecurity brands. As you look down this list, TrustLook, VirusSide, ZeroCert. So you got a lot of different things going on. You got some integration. Let's see, Polyswarm partners with threat intelligence providers to integrate the marketplace threat intelligence into their services. So let's just go ahead and take a look here. These are the integrations that you have, the integration partners, as you know, just Cyware, we got Silo Breaker, Splunk Sword, Threat Connect, Threat Quotient. You got a lot of different partners. I needed to bring that up because of the fact that sometimes you look at Polyswarm and there have been times where I know people have gotten discouraged. Their discouragement is the fact that we were dealing with such a choppy crypto market. That's the problem. But things are definitely turning around for Polyswarm. So that's definitely not an issue. Let's keep that in mind. I think what I'm also going to do is drop a description of a full breakdown of Polyswarm. There's a video that we did a while back that's got over 1,000 views on Polyswarm. So I will be dropping that video in the description below so you can look at that. We're not going to try to go into a whole bunch of detail today, but the main thing we want to do is encourage our Polyswarm investors that things are going to be on the looking up. Now, there's an official announcement right here on X that Polyswarm is now being traded on BitMagno. So this is an official announcement. It says this is an important announcement that our BitMagno token NCT, so this is Polyswarm, will be officially listed. And they were officially listed as of last week, April the 22nd. Was at 7 a.m. UTC time. So just a heads up on that. So now Polyswarm is a part of that exchange as well. So all of this is to encourage you that Polyswarm is continuing to grow and that it's looking up, not down. Now, let me see what else I got here. Don't forget this, no matter what we're looking at. Don't forget that Polyswarm has officially been added to the top made in America tokens by market capitalization on CoinMarketCap. So proudly built in the US of A and driving blockchain innovation in cybersecurity. And then you can check them out there on the Made in America as far as CoinMarketCap. So keep that in mind. Don't forget all the positive that you have in the market for Polyswarm. Don't forget all the good signs. Let's take a look also. I'm just going to look at right now the movement in the market a little bit. I'm looking at the last hour here, mostly green candles to the upside in the last hour. Just a little bit of a heads up on that. I'm not saying that's going to continue, but at the same time, it looks like we're about to develop another green candle here. So Polyswarm is definitely on the way up. I want everybody to understand that. The coin has been up over the last month. I believe Polyswarm is going to continue. I think this is a great time to DCA into the coin before it takes off. I will say this though. We want to see that positive momentum continue. I think that right now, how can I say, nothing we say on the channel is financial advice, but we just want everybody to be encouraged to understand that Polyswarm has extreme potential. This thing could go as far as 50 cents from the 2 cents it's at right now. The main thing is we just need to keep positive outlook and also understand that this thing has a lot of partners. Always keep that in mind. Whenever you're wondering if a project is going to do well or not, don't forget that there are a lot of backing and there's a lot of support. So keep that in mind, and sometimes that'll help you understand the big picture. Anyways, the big picture is that Polyswarm is not fighting alone. They have many, many partners, and they're going forward, not backwards. This is Al with Real Life Investing. You guys stay on it and keep doing well. Have a great day. Bye.
Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.